Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 25, Nutrition in Animals. In this worksheet we will discuss about key words of the chapter. First one is nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. All these steps or all these processes together called nutrition. Digestive system. The digestive tract and associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Digestive system क्या होता है? Alimentary canal means all parts of the digestive system and glands associated with digestive system together constitute digestive system. This is the digestive system of man. You can label the different parts of digestive system in this diagram. First one is buccal cavity. This one is oesophagus. This one stomach. And this is liver. यहाँ पर क्या है बच्चों? छोटा सा gall bladder. This part is small intestine and this part is large intestine. Last part of the large intestine is called rectum and this part is called anus. So all these are parts of alimentary canal. Liver is a gland. This one is liver. और यहाँ पर एक gland और होती है बच्चों, that is pancreas. And in buccal cavity, salivary gland. So you can write the names of different parts of digestive system in the given diagram. Third one is bile juice. Bile juice क्या होता है बच्चों? It is the secretion of liver which helps in the digestion of fat is called ingestion. Is called ingestion. ये आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, is called ingestion. No need to write this. Bile juice is a secretion which help in digestion and secreted from liver and stored in gall bladder. Small structure on the liver is called gallbladder. Bile juice is secreted from liver, stored in gallbladder and helps in digestion of fat. Milk teeth. The first set of teeth grows during the infancy and they fall off at the age of between 6 to 8 years. वो पहला set of teeth which grows during infancy. जब बच्चा बहुत छोटा होता है 2 से 3 साल के से 7-8 साल तक बच्चे में कौन से दांत निकलते हैं? फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ निकलते हैं, ग्रो होते हैं. दिस सेट ऑफ टीथ इज कॉल्ड मिल्क टीथ and they fall off at the age between 6 to 8 years. Ruminants. The grazing animals like cows, buffaloes, deer, etc. are known as ruminants. ये ruminants animals हैं which are also known as grazing animals, चरने वाले animals. Next is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia क्या होता है बच्चों? False feet. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. So they are also known as false feet. Temporary finger-like projections of the cell of amoeba are called pseudopodia. These finger-like projections are temporary. जब ज़रूरत होती है तब निकलते हैं बच्चों ये. So these are temporary finger-like projections. These projections are called pseudopodia or false feet And what is the function of pseudopodia? They help in movement of the amoeba and also help in capturing the food or food particle. So these two are the function of pseudopodia. Here the picture is given to you, labeled picture of amoeba. These are pseudopodia or false feet. Remember the basic process of digestion of food. Basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all animals. All animals में क्या होते हैं? Digestion of food take place, and by the digestion of food energy is released. Now question answer. First question is dash and dash together constitute the digestive system. तो यहाँ पर आप क्या लिखेंगे? Digestive tract. यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है digestive tract, और सेकंड यहाँ पर क्या लिखने हैं? glands. Together constitute digestive system. Bile juice helps in the digestion of, किसके digestion में help करता है? Fat. So you have to write fat. Write two functions of pseudopodia. आपको pseudopodia के दो functions लिखने हैं. First one is it helps in the movement of the amoeba, and second one is pseudopodia helps in capturing the food, or pseudopodia used to help to capture the food. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What is the need of nutrition in animals? एनिमल्स को न्यूट्रिशन की क्या ज़रूरत है? सो बच्चों, all organisms including human require food for growth, repair and functioning of the body. So all animals need nutrition, or nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. That is why all animals need of nutrition. Thanks for watching.